Grinder pump systems consist of large cylindrical tanks where a home's wastewater collects. Once the water rises to a certain level, a float switch activates the grinder pump mechanism. Metal blades on the bottom begin to spin rapidly and chop solid waste into fine pieces that are then pulled through the pump and forced through the pressure check valve that leads to the main sewer line. If the system stops functioning for some reason, the water level in the tank will continue to rise until it triggers an alarm to alert the homeowner that there is a problem. If the pump's alarm begins to flash or sound, first check the electrical connection to the system. There may be a tripped breaker or GFI preventing power to the grinder pump mechanism. On systems with alarm boxes like the one shown here, there are 3 points to check. Open the door to the alarm panel and check that the pump switch is set to auto. The switch can also be used to force the pump to run and drain the tank by flipping it to the hand setting. Check that the overload protection breaker has not tripped by pressing the reset button, and also check if the black circuit breaker has tripped and reset it if it has. This panel also has a light labeled seal leak. If the light is on, water has managed to get into the housing of the grinder pump mechanism and it will need to be serviced. With other systems, the grinder pump and alarm are wired together and plugged into a GFCI nearby. With this setup, we just need to check if the GFCI outside or its associated breaker in the garage panel have been tripped. If the grinder pump does not resume normal operation after resetting the tripped breaker or GFCI, or if the breaker or GFCI trips again after being reset, or if no tripped connection can be found, it's crucial that the homeowner contact a plumber to assess and correct the problem. Continuing to use water while the grinder pump is not operating properly can cause more damage to your pump and the sewer system. Cleaning is also essential to keep your grinder pump operating properly and to avoid needing costly repairs. Wash 1 cup of dish soap down the drain once per month to help break up any possible buildup in the pump. In addition to this, the pump tank should be opened and cleaned about once per year. It's best to have a licensed plumber do this, and many plumbers offer grinder pump cleaning services. Grinder pumps are designed to process human waste, toilet paper, and soft foods having passed through your garbage disposal. Anything else should be disposed of in your trash can. We hope that this video has helped increase your understanding of the purpose and function of our grinder pump systems.